Renko, the little guy, winning the great guys in a great race. How you feel now?
It's unbelievable. I really cannot believe this for the moment. I think tomorrow when I will see some images or tonight, and then I will realize that it's not a dream.
A fantastic year, all is new for you, but it's all fantastic. Your name now is a little bigger.
Well, I mean, I came here without expectations. We were with the plan of Julien, and in the end, to take the win, it's incredible. It's a dream. I dreamed to win this race one time in my career, and I already win it in my first year. So it's a dream. It's incredible.
To win is always difficult, but to win with that Tonic, a little bit easier.
But every win is difficult. Every win is different. So I think for the moment, this is even more important than my World Championship titles.
Thank you very much. I enjoy it.
Thank you.